Implementing topic-based book structure. Great Leaders Have No Rules by Kevin Kruse. And Kevin is well known in the leadership space. As you can see, he has an endorsement by John Maxwell, who's also very well known in the leadership arena. And Kevin is a prolific author and very well known in the leadership space. He has lots of books that he has authored. I selected this one because it is an example of a topic-based book. And all you do in a topic-based book is you select a handful of topics. I recommend anywhere between 7 and 10 topics, and those topics become your chapters. Now let's take a look at how Kevin structures his book and his chapters, and you'll see how easy it is to put together a topic-based book. So here we go. Passing the title page. Here's the content. Of course, all your front matter, but let's look at the actual chapters. So Kevin has 10 chapters. Again, I recommend anywhere between 7 and 10. And his chapters are different topics. Topic number 1 is close your open door policy. 2, shut off your smartphone. 3, have no rules. 4, be likable, not liked. 5, lead with love. And again, all of these are topics that fall under the bigger umbrella of his subject. Now, his subject or his topic for his business is leadership. That's what he does. And so this is a leadership book that's structured as a topic-based book, and the topics have to do with leadership, but they're not necessarily in any sequential order. They're just topics. So this is a very easy book to write. So let's take a look at the one chapter we have access to through Amazon. Chapter 1, close your open door policy. It gives you a little bit of a story. It goes into a little bit of intro. Then his first header is got a minute? And he talks about those pop-ins and interruptions. Then he goes into the next header, in search of communication and transparency. And then it talks a little bit about that. And then he goes into the next header, but I don't want to speak up. And then he goes into that. And then he goes into leapfrogging the chain of command, meaning bypassing your supervisor, going to the manager, or bypassing your manager, going to the director. So all of this has to do with the open door policy. And so all the chapter is a topic, which is the open door policy. That's the subject or topic of the chapter. And then the headers have to do with the topic. So that's an example of a topic-based book. Now let's talk about the step-by-step book structure.